Hello guys, and welcome to Cooking with DB Family. So today we will be making very delicious pistachio cupcakes with vanilla frosting. For the batter we will need 180 gram of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 250 gram roasted pistachios, 2 eggs, 150 gram of sugar, 125 ml vegetable oil, 200 ml milk, and 1 teaspoon of green food coloring. So for the frosting we will need 225 gram cream cheese, 350 ml heavy cream, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon vanilla powder, and 200 gram powdered sugar. Let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So start off by adding 2 eggs to a bowl and then add 150 gram of sugar and make sure to whisk it well till it is smooth. Here you can see how your egg and sugar mixture should look like, and when it looks like this, you should go ahead and add 125 ml of vegetable oil. Now in one go add 200 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, and to make the batter even more greener you can add 1 tablespoon of green food coloring, and this is totally optional. After that, sift 200 gram of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now mix the batter, but make sure not to overmix the batter. When your batter looks like this, you should go ahead and add 150 to 200 gram of chopped roasted pistachios. Now melt some butter and spread it over the molds. Now pour the batter into the cupcake molds equally. Now sprinkle some cardamom. Now mix the cardamom with help of a toothpick. Bake at 175 Celsius for 20 minutes. When baked, let them cool down. For the vanilla frosting, start by whisking 350 ml cold heavy cream. After whisking the cold heavy cream, put it aside. Now in another bowl, add 225 grams of cream cheese. Then add 200 grams of powdered sugar. Now add 1 tablespoon vanilla powder and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Now add the whisked heavy cream to the cream cheese mixture. Fold the batter well. Here I decorated with chopped pistachios. You can also decorate with something else. Thank you for watching. We hope this video will help you make a very delicious and very easy pistachio cupcake with vanilla frosting. We also do answer questions if there are any. See you in the next video. Bye bye!